Good morning. We arrived at Lake Kournas around the area from Georgioupolis. Today is Easter. It's a traditional, especially a traditional Greek day, and all the families come together here and they're going to barbecue the sheep. It's a real family day here at the lake. We will see it. You see they put the whole goat or the whole sheep. Oh, it's roasting. Quite busy here at the lakeside. You have a lot of restaurants, and everywhere they are barbecuing the goats for the Easter. And let's walk down to the lake. It's the biggest sweetwater lake from Crete. The water is very clear. All the seats in the restaurants are taken because all the Cretan families come here together to have a nice meal.